Good, thanks so much. Period, Natasha. Okay, naman, let's proceed with a TikTok content creator, Jayco TV, Jayco Manangan.
Hi guys, hi Tere. Congratulations, napakaganda ng trailer. Grabe. And I think question ko, sa mga cast, ano yung mga bonding moments nyo na nagpatatag sa relationship ninyo bilang co-actors dito sa series? Start with...
Madami. Actually, just working together. Habang hindi pa kami kinukunan, magkakasama kami sa set. Actually, yun lang itself kasi nagpa-vibe kami lahat together. Everybody's humble, everybody's bubbly and jolly. So, doon pa lang naging close na talaga kami lahat sa isa't isa. And yung collaboration, siguro malaking bagay yun kapag nandun kayo sa trabaho ninyo pero nagbibigayan kayo sa trabaho, sa pag-arte, may factor din yun para maging matatag kayo na isang grupo na isang cast. And also, lumalabas din kami minsan. May mga bondings kami together, to make things better work, mas maging closer kami sa isa't isa. So usually yun. Marami na rin kami yung labas together. With Derek actually, kaya sobrang nag-gel talaga, naging maganda talaga yung samahan ng isa't isa.
Yes, to add on to that as well, from the beginning since sa workshops until our last taping day, we really just gelled together as a cast and we've all gotten along, even behind the scenes. During our lunch breaks, we'd all sit around together, eat together, get to know one another, and it's been a really, really, really good journey.
How do I explain that? So, my mind is like processing right now. Paano ko yung explain? Like, during taping, we go through so many serious and heavy scenes. So of course, in a way that brings us together more because we have to be there more for each other. And let's say one of us has a heavy scene, everyone else will check in on each other, and ask how we're doing and show a lot of support. And then yeah, we would go out every now and then and really just get to know each other.
Sorry, what was the question? I was in the restroom, sorry.
Yeah, ano yung mga bonding moments nyo na nagpatatag bilang co-actors dito sa series?
Bonding moments, nasabi na, after the shoot, we go out sometimes, not just us the cast, but the whole production din. So, I really appreciate, being with them. Kasi, syempre, pag sa work, iba't iba yung focus na kami sa work. Pero pag nasa labas, we share, kwentos, mga ganon. And then, the other cast too, sometimes we invite them to play basketball with us, with me and Jai, or sometimes we do TikTok together. So, it's all about just being there for each other and being comfortable with each other, because that's the most important thing.
Can I add? Small lang. To what Gab said, I was thinking about this kanina. I feel very lucky and grateful to know that the whole production, to be surrounded by a production who, they really show you and they tell you every day how much they want us to succeed. And they assure us all the time, and you can really see in the effort that they put into this whole project that they care so much and they care about us and they see all of our potential and how much more that we can grow.
My last question na lang. Siyempre, since si Natasha, this is her first ever lead series, ano yung first impression niyo sa kanya and last impression?
I met you at Ipulaga. But it was only super quick, like we just said hi kasi you were really busy. But I guessed it at a game, I can't remember the name, pero we just said hi flat. She was super sweet and smiling. I really felt such a warm energy from her. And then until the end, same thing. She's so chill, she's so cool, very genuine.
I think the first time I met her was sa workshop. I don't know if bagong gising ganon, so medyo quiet or medyo very shy. But my last impression, she's very energetic, bubbly, super nice. Siya yung energy ball namin sa taping niya. So, yeah.
First impression, kasi nakita rin kami lang sa workshop, so agad din dun So parang medyo testing waters, pero parang at first naramdaman ko naman talaga yung warmth na parang magiging magkaan siya ka-work. And then last impression niya, tama yung sinabi ni Gab, she's the energy boss sa taping. Like lahat kami, sobrang medyo pababagsak na yung energy namin, pero siya still, tuloy-tuloy lang. And you know, she brings a lot of energy sa taping, so mas nagiging magkaan lalo yung trabaho. And she's humble and she's easy to work with.
Ako, malalaman ko kagad kapag nandiyan na si Tash sa set. Yung tipo kapag nantag dito, kahit hindi mo pa inahan, may ingin na, may minute, tapos nagtatakbuhan sila, tapos pag hindi sila nag-take, ang napapansin ko sa kanila, nagsasayaw sa TikTok. Or nagkukwentuhan sila, ha? Hindi ikaw. Parang ilang beses ko kayo nahuhuli eh. Ayun, tapos na at the same time. Pero kapag ano naman talaga, kapag during the scene na or dito mag-take na, ayan, sobrang seryoso sila. Pero kapag during break, makulit, saka siya dynamite girl ng set. At sa literal, as in, parang ilang araw yata yung shoot namin na laging may dynamite na umiikot. Tapos doon, lahat kami kakain ng dynamite. Kahit ang nalibag ng mga tao na sa dynamite. Kasi pag tinanong kanina galing pa kay Tash. Parang hilig niya magpakain ng dynamite sa set, gano'n. Sobrang kulit, kasi makulit, kasi kulit-kulit-kulit. Gano'n. Sobrang bubbly sa set. So kahit mabigat na napapagaan niya, saka alam mo na kagad pagtugtog pala ng 7 AM o 7:30 AM, pag nandiyan na si Tash, may ingay na yung set. Boses mo kagad yung naririnig niya. Ayan, nandiyan na si Tash.
Can you say about
Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ayan, tama naman, makulit talaga ako. Pero nonetheless, I was only makulit because you guys made me super comfortable to be myself. And I can't thank you guys enough for that. Thank you.
Congratulations, we're looking forward to the series.
Thank you so much. Dynamite girl. I'll take that one. Next.
I think that is a great asset to have. And I think that can bring you to many places in life.
Super geniuses. Same with what Rhea said, like, you know, you could use that to become super rich as well. And when it comes to attractiveness, I don't think that's the most important thing in life, because that's something that can just go away in a second.
Ako,
Kakaiba.
oo, opposite nung kayo, kay Jairus. Siguro super rich kasi genius na ako. It's a joke. And there, I mean, of course, kasi mo rin syempre, definitely maging genius ka, di ba? Parang kung matalino ka ng tao, parang alam mo na kagad kung anong magagawin mong decision sa life mo eh.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you so much.